Alright, so this video is an example problem using the dot product. So we have two vectors here, A, which has 3 as the x-component and -6 as the y-component, and B, which has 9 as the x-component and 3 as the y-component. And our goal is to take A dot B. Now there are two ways you can do this problem because we have two methods of finding the dot product. You could use Pythagorean's theorem to find the magnitude of A, so 3 squared plus 6 squared, take the square root to find A, and do 9 squared plus 3 squared, take the square root and find B. But the tricky part then is you then have to find the angle for both A and B and then establish what the angle is between A and B. So that is a little bit of a longer method of finding the dot product. Since we already have the components, the quicker way to do this is to use this relationship here, where we take the x-component times the x-component plus the y-component times the y-component. And this should be a B, not an A. Since you're already given the components, all you have to do is plug into this formula. So we're going to take 3 times 9 plus -6 times 3. And that is going to give us 27 minus 18, which equals 9. So that is a relatively straightforward way of finding the dot product because we already have the vectors broken down into components.